Hello, this is Tsundere Animator here, and we're going to react to Volume 2, Chapter 2 by Rooster Teeth, and last time on Chapters 1 and 2. A food fight happened on Chapter 1, and Chapter 2 was something else. Yay! And because of villainous characters introduction and stuff like that in the last minutes. Anyways, let's get reacting in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Okay. There's a point of tips, there's a point of breaks, there's a point of beds, there's a point of they can take anymore. There's a line to be crossed and no turn, there's high space that's minutes and it burn anymore. They can't wait to dive a stake until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering. The storm is growing. Time to say goodbye to the things we love and the innocence of youth. Now time seems to fly. From the carefree love and the solitude the peace will ensue. Yes, good song anyways. Okay, we see Weiss. More blah blah blah. Yeah, more blah blah blah. Okay.
I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat.
Okay. Nope.
And I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vail.
Okay.
It's awesome.
Okay, Weiss doesn't care.
Maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm not, you know.
4 o'clock.
And then
And you what?
I'm wrong, I guess. Well, the studying division of the story will have to wait. Until
Of course.
next time.
Until next time.
Did you hear me?
No. Yeah. Wow.
One day.
One day. Yes, one day. Okay, oh. New styles.
The quest would never end.
Of course.
Today's the day. The investigation begins. I'm glad to see you're taking this so seriously.
Okay.
Hey, we've got a plan.
What kind of plan?
Moderately serious. Right.
Okay.
Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the SHNE records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies.
Okay.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Room has regular faction meetings to handle orders and recruit new members.
Okay.
If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an older friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vail. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Okay.
Great, we'll meet up tonight here at Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
What?
So,
Okay.
how did you get up there?
I do it all the time.
You do what?
I concerts all the time.
Yeah.
So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation.
Yes. Yes, they are.
Sorry,
Of
son.
course.
We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I
Yes.
brought up to.
How did you even get up here?
I have
Yes.
my ways.
Of course.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Of
All
course.
right, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But I say we go with you then. Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Okay. Yeah. Just broke the ship. The ship of Weiss and Neptune broke, I guess.
You should see the one in Atlas.
Okay.
That's the first one, right? Correct.
What?
Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another.
Okay.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Oh, what?
My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Oh wow.
Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's
Okay.
so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay. You scrolled, girl. Oh, Penny again.
You dropped this. Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night of the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
I think,
I've got to go. What was that about?
I don't know.
I don't know. But I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait!
Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Honey, where have you been? It's been weeks.
Weeks,
There seems
years,
to be a
months.
misunderstanding. Honey, is everything okay?
Yeah, of course, I guess. Everything has been okay, I guess.
It's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Okay. But not here.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Of course. It's not safe to talk anywhere but in public. The library of everything everything that's holy. Oh, no elevator. We will get elevator music.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Oh,
Absolutely. Could you please place your score on the terminal to verify your identity?
okay. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Lee.
Okay. Her name is Vaishni. Oh.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Shree Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Oh, it was a hologram.
Good afternoon. Would you like me to pass you through to your father? I think your sister Linda might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
Okay.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is the score?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Okay.
Fair enough. The data is being transferred to your school now.
Wonderful. That will
Okay.
be all done.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to pass it through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Okay. There's one done. Hello. Again.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together, and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Yes.
I know the feeling.
Yes. Feelings of.
Why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Bryce, or Blake, or
Okay.
Jen. Anything, really. Was your dad that
Yes.
upset? No.
What?
It wasn't my father.
Who?
Has been the standard security norm of RWBY for several years. And they have
What?
done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
Okay.
Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Okay.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now,
Okay.
the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require A human touch.
Oh, what?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
What?
Now, we couldn't have him here for you today.
Okay.
These mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Like where?
Penny?
Huh.
Wait, where are you going?
Where is she going? Okay.
Down here. She went this way.
Okay. Okay.
This way!
Bam. Okay. Okay, you just go listen. Damn. Damn.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Penny, come
Okay.
back!
What?
Penny!
What?
Please! What is going on?
Yes,
Why are
what?
you running? How did you do that?
Yes.
I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk
Hiccup.
about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you.
Yes.
No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can
Yes.
trust me. You're my friend, right?
Yes.
You're my friend? I
Uh,
promise.
Oath to friends never forget. The oath of friendship never gives up.
Your girl. Oh.
Okay. An oath to friendship is an oath to everything. Never betray your friendship. Oh my god. We end with a song that's just beautiful. Oh my god. End of chapter 3 of volume 2. My god. Nice fan art. Okay, that's the end. So that was it from chapter, whatever, chapter 3. I mean, yes, chapter 3, the Minor Hiccup. Well, trust your friends, please. Like, please, I mean, you can always count on your friends to do anything. Anyways, this was the Tsundere Animator. I'll see you until next time. Goodbye.